What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to go over the car cam app. I'm going to kind of show you everything that's in the app and kind of how to set it all up, and then also install. I will have a separate installation video. So as you can see, you scan your QR code and then you give itself a name. I already installed it, and that once again that's going to be in a separate video. Very simple. It took maybe 5 minutes to install. Tell it where your OBD2 port is. Mine's at the bottom left. And then it kind of goes over how to install it. Once again, super easy. Anybody can do it. Basically plug and play to your OBD2 port. You start up your vehicle. It'll turn on the car cam, of course. And then we'll connect here in a second and connect it to the app and everything. So here I'm connecting it to my Wi-Fi. I'm going to allow it to connect to all my different devices. Very simple, didn't give me any type of hiccups, connected pretty quickly. Location share, I'm turning it on for this video, but you do have the option to turn it off. This is just telling you to clean up your installation to make it look nicer. Once again, very easy. Peel off your stickers. I would assume somebody at some point left the stickers on and then thought the picture quality was terrible. Believe it or not, that stuff does happen. Those are those provided clips to clean up your installation. This is just a checklist to make sure you install it correctly. If you want privacy and you don't want yourself recorded, all you have to do is flip up that little cover. If you want people to know you have this, just throw the sticker on your car, which I don't think I'm going to put that on my car. I don't think that's really going to deter anyone. It might. Here's a bunch of customization where you can do the motion detection, how often you want to get alerts, and so on and so forth. If you just want to read some of the stuff, you might have to pause it here and there. I went ahead and did it frequently because this is a review video coming up soon, and I want to have the most realistic review. Here's your battery usage, how quickly the car cam will turn off to conserve battery. My car is only about 3 years old, so I went ahead and did the medium setting. I do like this little feature. So if you see something you want it to record, you literally just say, Alexa, record, and it's going to do that. This I don't want anybody else to be able to track it. I don't see the need. And here's a quick demo of me in the car. We'll get back to that in a second. And then the alert went off as I exited the car. And I went to try to show you that little video, but it's doing an update, which is good. It automatically did it. I didn't have to tell it to update. Here's a little bit more of the settings we're going to go through. I'm going to click on device settings here. And then video settings. So instead of on the main screen you clicking and watching the footage that it caught, you can click it and just go to a live view, which I personally like, so I toggled that on. Here we go to general settings. This is just basic information. And then it turned the car cam off because it knows I haven't driven the car. I think it'll only do this quickly like it did for the first time since it knows I haven't driven the car much. And as you just saw there, you actually do get a 30-day free trial of their Protect service. If you like that, it's $6 a month or $60 for the full year. I'm just going to try the month trial, and I'll tell you if it's worth it at the end. Here's you going through the video history. Here's the motion of me getting out of the car and my lights in the garage clicking on. I ran in to grab my hat. And now I am going to a live video. I should be back in the car, yes. And there it is. The delay is maybe a half a second. It's really quite quickly. Here is the event history. Not much on because I literally just installed it. But you can go and rewatch all the different videos that it caught. Alright, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. I will link down below the installation video of the actual car cam. If you found this informative, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and once again, I will have a full review of this in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one.